Well, similar to you, I also got into Amazon, but I missed this sweet little double bottom off of the daily level, so I waited till it got above the 2 days ago level, or, as it was marking 2 days ago, but obviously 2 days ago it was at a much higher price than this. But I went long here and I decided to give it VWAP, so that gave me a nice push, got a couple partials. Now I've got my third. Hello, Bear Bull traders. How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I am here trading with the Prophet of Profit, our very own Brian Pesum, filling in for Andrew today as he takes his gallivanting exploits across the world and all of his cool stuff. Brian, my friend, how is your trading this morning?
It was good. It was really good. We picked up some Twitter. You picked some up in the pre-market, and I joined you there. And we got a nice move up. Didn't quite get to 39, which was kind of what I was looking for on that last bit. But yeah, I had a good trade on that. Other than that, ON gave me a nice lead balloon trade.
Which ticker was that? OM or ON?
ON, like
on,
like Oscar Norman.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so gap. My lead balloon trade is a gap up, but trading below the VWAP going into the open. So looking for it to sell off, which it did very nicely there. And yeah, I had a bunch of actually had a bunch of trades today. I traded probably more than I normally do here, but yeah, Amazon. We caught a nice double bottom on Amazon.
Yeah, we got to be a part of history on that one, huh? First time Amazon on its new 20-to-1 split. So the chat rooms had fun today getting to actually trade this now that it's in the price range for most of us.
Yeah, exactly. And it just put in a really sweet little double bottom there, pulled back at the open, and then retested the low a day around 940. And then it was just off to the races from there. So yeah. Little bit late on that trade. I didn't catch it right at the double bottom. I wish I had, but
me too.
Got a nice move up there. Yeah.
Well, similar to you, I also got into Amazon, but I missed this sweet little double bottom off of the daily level, so I waited till it got above the 2 days ago level, or as it was marking 2 days ago, but obviously 2 days ago it was at a much higher price than this. But I went long here and I decided to give it VWAP, so that gave me a nice push, got a couple partials. Now I've got my third. Just holding on there. I got a really nice trade on Twitter. Elon Musk, doing Musk things, came out and said he's not very happy about them not disclosing information, and he's just not sure about the deal, which we know. But anyway, here we go again. So it dropped down here through a whole bunch of volume. I decided to just buy the dip off of this. I hid behind a bid here on the level 2 for safety and got some really nice partials there. And then I tried a couple of grabs on the SPY. I got 1 hour long here, and then I broke even here because I saw this pop coming, and of course I actually nailed it, but I didn't like the ladder and the conviction, so I took that one at break even, preserve capital. It then broke away, and now I'm actually in a short on SPY now, and I'm using high of day to give myself some extra space. This one I might lose out on, but that's okay. I'll just give back this R from earlier in the day. So right now, just hanging on to Amazon, hanging on to SPY, and gonna see how that goes. Otherwise, Twitter being the big win for the day. And yeah, and that's it. How about anybody in the room getting any really cool trades they want to share with us? Show the community what I know the BBT family had some strong trades out there. See, I go over to our trades tab. We always got stuff over here. Check out all these trades. If you're in the BBT room, you can come over to the trades tab and you can kind of see all the different trades that our traders are hitting. Look at this crazy PDD grab here. That's really awesome.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, PDD, probably another Chinese play, but yeah, the China stocks have really come back nicely here. Good trade on that.
Good longs on Neo today.
Mm-hmm.
So
Neo
anyway,
was
all
another
right.
one I played a little bit.
As you can see here, still holding Amazon long, so hopefully that'll work. Short recap for us today, y'all. Just a a regular day in the chat room, when it's the Prophet of Profit and I, we always make money. So it's just really a matter of,
That's right.
what we're going to be making it on that day. But
Exactly.
brother, always fun trading
Yeah.
with you. I'll throw this one up. You got anything else?
No, that's it. I hope everyone had a good day. It was looking a little lame at the open, but as always, we had some opportunities show up and made some good money.
Made some money, had some fun, and we'll just keep our fingers
Yeah.
crossed. Maybe I'll win this SPY trade after all. So I'll talk to everybody later. Keep it green, y'all.
Have a good one. See you guys.